I built this display to show antique mortise lock function and how it works and how it looks. And this is kind of a neat little project that I've been working on. Our house is very old and I'm trying to put the old back into it. And unfortunately, it's all been renovated out of it with modern doorknobs, modern doors and such like that. So here, this one's kind of a combination because I took what I wanted for an upstairs door. I took a metal doorknob that came with this kit here and this strike plate, and I put the glass one on here. So this is a bit of a mix match. This one I'll be using on a less important door downstairs that I don't really care about too much. So this is a pretty simple old style. It's got the skeleton keyhole in there, which is pretty cool. I built this little stand just to show for display and stuff. And then you can put the key in, lock it and unlock it. I just like these bit keys a lot. They're pretty cool. A lot neater than the normal keys that we have today. Not the most secure thing by any means, but just for a less important door, it looks cool and it fits the part for an old lock. I just made this out of a chunk of 2x6. Just that way I don't have to get it all scratched up and I can just have it laying around for fun. And these are pretty neat. So when you have a look at these handles here, there's these little set screws, and the set screws come out, and then this is on a spline with threads on it. Then you can unscrew these both, and then they pull out, and then obviously these are just screwed in with these 4 screws here. And then normally this would be recessed, it would be mortised in, and the lock itself is only about this wide, and then this just extends over top of the door. So it's a chunk probably about from here to here that would be mortised out of the lock. I think it comes to about here inside the door, so it's a great bit that you take out of the door, unlike modern doors today where you just drill a circular hole and that's good enough. It's pretty cool. And this one I just got from Home Depot, so it's nothing special. But I will be trying to find some actual antique ones to replace for our house just to keep them old, but I figured I'd get this in the meantime. And what I did is I restored an old door, and I'll put that in the video as well. And I put a skeleton key lock in that as well. Anyways, thanks for watching.